Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Chi and today I am attempting to fix a common fault on my Lupo, and that common fault is this. Now I did actually try to attempt to fix this the other day because I thought where the noise was coming from, well, part of the noise was actually coming from this bush that had worn away, so I replaced it with a metal one and it didn't get rid of the noise completely, and then I realized afterwards that it was the actual full check strap that I needed to replace. So I have been on eBay and I've picked up a new check strap and I will be fitting this today, and luckily this check strap already has a metal bush inside, so hopefully this thing will never make that noise ever again. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so this is my original check strap with the new metal bush in, and as you can tell, it still makes that horrible noise. So originally it was actually vibrating it here, which is why you have to replace the old plastic bush for a metal one, but the noise is actually coming from inside the actual check strap itself, so I'm going to replace the whole thing. So now basically if you've got small arms like me, you can put your arm behind here and remove the check strap. And there it is. Now I'm just going to stick the new one in and screw it all back in place. But before we install it, I'm just going to quickly spray it with some lubricant so it doesn't give off any squeaking noises. So it's mainly around this part here. In fact, I'm just going to spray the whole thing. So that's it guys, my door now works perfectly without any stupid noises. The check strap that I got off eBay only cost £20 and you actually got 2 in that pack. Compared to the main dealer, they actually quoted me £45. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe, and until next time, drive safe and stay safe. Bye.